Hello, my name is Joel and I'm going to show you how to share the exact location of where you'd like your toilet installed. In your browser, navigate to Google Maps by typing in maps.google.com or simply searching for Google Maps. Once Google Maps is loaded, type in the nearest address and/or postcode you have to your site. Sometimes just a street name will be enough. Once you've found the rough location of your site on Google Maps, switch to Satellite View. To do this, click on the small square box in the center left of your screen. This will load the satellite view of your location. Now, if the address you entered earlier is close enough to the site, you should now see your site in an aerial view. An allotment, for example, will generally look like a patch of land broken up into small brown squares. The golf course is quite recognizable too. The next step is to zoom in closer to your site. To do this, use the zoom tool on the right-hand side of your screen. Use the plus to zoom in and the minus to zoom out. After zooming in, you may need to move the map a little to view your site again. To do this, you can click and hold on the mouse and drag the map to reposition it. Zoom in as close as you can until you cannot zoom in any further. This will ensure you can be as accurate as possible when pinpointing the location of the toilet installation. You might find that Google Maps zooms you in down to Street View. Don't worry, simply zoom back out using the minus button back to Aerial View. Next, find the spot you wish to install your toilet and using your mouse, click once exactly where you want the toilet installed. This will drop a small grey pin in that location. The more accurate you are with this part, the better we can access your location and the quicker you will have your toilet. If you make a mistake here, you can simply click somewhere else on the map and the pin will disappear and you can try again. Please remember to choose a location that won't be shaded by surrounding trees in summer and in winter when the shadows are longer. Also remember that the toilet should be south facing. Google Maps starts with the south at the bottom of your screen. This should allow you to picture where the entrance to the toilet will be. The KL2 can be angled 45 degrees either side of north from a south-facing toilet. The KL1 and KL3 must face in the opposite direction from the toilet, ideally north, as the toilet is south-facing. Once you're happy with the location of your pin, click on the latitude and longitude numbers that appear on the pop-up near your pin. This should replace the grey pin with the red one, and recenter your map with the red pin in the middle. Now you should be able to share this location by clicking on the share button in the panel on the left. If you cannot see the panel on the left, it may be hidden from view, so check the top left of your screen for a small arrow and when hovered over, says Expand Side Panel. Once you've clicked on the share button, a pop-up will appear containing a highlighted URL. This is what we are after. Copy the URL by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy, making sure that the whole URL has been selected. Alternatively, you can use hold Control and press C, or on a Mac, Command and press C. This will copy the URL. Paste this URL into an email by right-clicking in your email and selecting Paste. Alternatively, holding Control and pressing V, or holding Command and pressing V on a Mac. Sending this to us gives us the information we need to assess your site. If you're having trouble with this process, don't hesitate to get in touch. We'd rather have no information than the wrong information, and there are other ways to gain this information. Thank you for listening.